So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to solve this media loss or media not found problem in CapCut. But first, you need to know why this media loss problem happened in the first place. Because if you know the reason, then you can avoid it next time. So this media loss problem in CapCut happens because you have removed or changed the raw footage storage during editing. So now to be able to solve this problem, here's what you have to do. First, you have to make note of the name of the file and you have to know the new folder where you have put the footage in. If you don't know, I will show you now how to locate it. So you are going to right click on the video, then you come to link to media. So you just have to come and click here to link media. And now here's a very important tip here. If you click link media, it's going to give you the name of the file. This is the name here. If you don't know the folder where the video has been saved, this is what you have to do. You copy the name, Ctrl C, and you come to your storage. Then you are going to input the name here, Ctrl V, and then you search. And when you search, as you can see, this is a video with the name. You're just going to click on it and then you open. And when you do that, they will say one media linked. Or another way, if you input back the external storage, which contain the footage, if you, like I will do now, you see when I do that, then they are going to say that the external storage device detected. Click to refresh the media loss. So with doing that, you also solve the problem. If this video helped you, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe for more CapCut tutorials. See you in the next one.